Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing a cute little gift for my cute little baby, and these are baby board books. Let's see, let's open it up quickly. There's another little box inside. That's cute. And there you go. Wow, that's really cute. Baby's first board books. There are 10 of them, and that's how it looks. Tightly packed, all 10 cute little books. Let's see. Alright, there. We have a book on words, ABCs, fruits, colors, numbers, vegetables. We have birds, animals, nursery rhymes, and what's that? Vehicles. Let's go through it. These are very strong boards, as you can see, and it's got this cute lamination also, so it wouldn't get spoiled even if your little one spills a little bit of water here and there. And I don't think it's that easy for them to tear it apart. It seems quite strong. Quite a variety of fruits I see. Let's see. This is the colors books. There are a lot of words also along with the colors. Very interesting pictures for a little one to learn. Super cute books as well. I found these books really very cute, and it seems like to be a perfect gift for a toddler. My baby seems to be super excited about it. She needs all the books. It's got nursery rhymes as well, so these books wouldn't be needed until she starts going to school. I can keep it away and take it out when she starts schooling. Oops, she just wouldn't let me show. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see. Oops, not again. All right. Words. I got this off of Amazon. If you are interested in buying it, you can check the description box below. I'll leave a link to it. I think these are really cute and very helpful. And there it goes. all the 10 books. There.